Hello everyone, and welcome to Improve English Through Story. Today, we have an emotional story called The Secret Visitor. Listen carefully, enjoy the story, and learn English in a simple and interesting way. So, let's begin. The clock showed 11 at night. Anna was sitting alone in her living room, reading a book. Outside, the wind was blowing strongly, and rain was falling against the windows. Her husband, David, was away for work. He would not come home until the next morning. Anna looked at the clock again. "Maybe I should go to bed," she said to herself. Just then, she heard a strange sound. Knock, knock, knock. Anna froze. Someone was at the door. She looked at the clock. It was almost midnight. Who could be outside at this time? She wondered. She slowly walked toward the door but did not open it. "Who is it?" she asked. There was no answer. Anna waited. Then she heard another knock. Knock, knock. Her heart started beating faster. "Who is there?" This time, a quiet voice answered. "Anna, please open the door." Anna knew the voice, but she could not believe it. She opened the door carefully. An old woman was standing outside. She was wearing a long dark coat. Her hair was wet from the rain. Anna looked at her in surprise. "Who are you?" The woman looked at Anna. "My name is Mary." Anna became confused. "Mary? I don't know you." The old woman smiled sadly. "I know you don't." She looked behind Anna. "May I come inside?" Anna was nervous, but something about the woman felt familiar. She moved aside. "Come in." Mary entered the house and sat on a chair. Anna closed the door. "Why did you come here?" Mary looked at her hands. "I came because I have something important to tell you." Anna sat across from her. "What is it?" Mary looked directly into Anna's eyes. "Your husband knows me." Anna became silent. "My husband?" "Yes." "How?" Mary took a deep breath. "David and I knew each other many years ago." Anna felt uncomfortable. "What do you mean?" Mary did not answer immediately. Instead, she looked around the room. "Does David still keep an old wooden box?" Anna was surprised. "Yes. There is one in his study." "Why?" Mary's face became serious. "Because that box contains a secret." Anna stood up. "What secret?" Mary looked at the clock. "We don't have much time. What are you talking about?" Mary reached into her coat and took out a small photograph. She gave it to Anna. Anna looked at the picture. It showed a young David standing beside a young woman. Anna stared at the photograph. "Who is this woman?" Mary's eyes filled with tears. "That woman is me." Anna could not speak. "But why did David never tell me about you?" Mary looked down. "Because he was ashamed of what happened." Anna felt confused and worried. "What happened?" Mary explained that many years ago, she and David had been close friends. They had grown up in the same town. David had once promised to help Mary's family when they were having serious financial problems. But David's family had moved away suddenly. Mary's father became very sick, and her family lost their home. "I thought David had forgotten us," Mary said. "Years later, I found him again. He was successful, married, and living a new life. Anna listened carefully. Then why are you here now? Mary took another breath. Because I don't want money. I don't want anything from David. She looked at Anna. I only want him to know that I forgive him. Anna was surprised. Forgive him for what? Mary's eyes became wet. David believed that he had abandoned my family. But the truth is, he tried to help us. We never received his letter. Anna remembered the old wooden box. Maybe the letter is inside. Mary nodded. That's why I came tonight. Anna quickly went to David's study. She opened the old wooden box. Inside were some photographs, papers, and a yellow envelope. Anna picked it up. On the front were 2 words. For Mary. Anna opened the letter. It was written many years ago, and the letter. David explained that he had sent money and asked someone to help Mary's family. But the person never delivered the money. David had always believed that Mary hated him. Anna returned to the living room with the letter. Mary read it slowly. Tears rolled down her cheeks. He really tried, she whispered. Anna sat beside her. Yes. Mary smiled through her tears. I knew he was a good person. Suddenly, they heard a car outside. Anna looked through the window. David was standing near the front door. He had returned early. When he entered the house, he stopped. He looked at Mary. For several seconds, nobody spoke. Then David whispered, Mary. Mary stood up. Yes, David. David looked at the letter in her hands. You found it. Mary nodded. I found it tonight. David's eyes became wet. I thought you hated me. I never hated you, Mary said. I only thought you had forgotten us. David looked down. I never forgot. The 3 of them stood quietly. Then Mary smiled. I came here as a secret visitor. David smiled sadly. And you left the secret behind. Mary laughed softly. For the first time in many years, the pain between them disappeared. Before leaving, Mary hugged David. Thank you for trying to help us. David closed his eyes. I am sorry it took so long. Mary shook her head. It is never too late to tell the truth. After Mary left, Anna stood beside David. Why didn't you ever tell me about her? David looked at her. I was afraid you would think badly of me. Anna smiled. I don't. She held his hand. Sometimes, people hide the truth because they are afraid. But secrets can become heavier than the truth. David nodded. That night, Anna understood something important. A secret may stay hidden for many years, but the truth always finds a way to come back. And sometimes, one unexpected visitor can change everything. Thank you for listening to Improve English Through Story. I hope you enjoyed this story and learned some new English words. If you liked the story, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and come back for another interesting story. See you in the next story.